How to claim Remitly in Palawan Express. Ensure the sender has completed the Remitly transfer, and you've received the transaction details, including the reference number. Prepare valid ID such as Philippine passport, driver's license, SSS ID or UMID, postal ID, PRC license, etc. Head to the nearest Palawan Express Padilla branch. Request the remittance form. Provide the following details: reference number, amount to be claimed, sender's name, your full name, the recipient. Hand the completed form and valid ID to the Palawan Express teller. Once the teller verifies the information, they will release the funds to you. Make sure all the details you provide match the ones used by the sender to avoid any issues during the claim. Thanks for watching.